Hey everybody, just back with you with Heated Skillet. And what I'm making for you today is going to be a kick-ass, fantastic, freaking guacamole. So this is going to be better than the stuff you buy out of Chipotle. That used to be my favorite guacamole. Don't get me wrong, I like that guacamole. This is going to be freaking better than that guacamole. Just trust me, stick with me here. So what I'm going to do in this video, like I always do, is bring you in closer, show you the ingredients, and show you how to put it together. So if in the end you like this guacamole just as well or not better than Chipotle's guacamole, then please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your buddies and let them know, hey, I found better guacamole than Chipotle can get, where I can get Chipotle guacamole. And yes, I did. This is super simple, so it's not going to take a rocket scientist to figure this one out. So we'll see you in a second. Now that we have you in close, let me just explain what we got going on here. What you're going to need for this recipe: 2 avocados, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lime, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic, that's freshly sliced garlic, diced up, finely diced, and finely diced onions, 1 tablespoon. This is about how much, I can't tell you how many stems, because every stem is different on cilantro, but you can get an idea of how much I have there. My wife's not a real big fan of the stems because it's too crunchy, right? So we go in and we kind of de-stem it. You can see how much stem was actually, these are edible and these are good. I don't mind these, especially if you take this whole thing and you grind these up into a food processor and make you some cilantro paste or something for just a different meal. But for guacamole, I kind of agree with my wife. This shouldn't be added because it just gives a texture that's not real great. Now that we have that all off the stem, you're just going to chop this finely, right? Let's just add it to the bowl. Now it's time to de-seed the avocado. So if you've never done this, basically you'll just want, you see this little end point? If it's right, it's going to come off very simple like that one. And it's going to be a little bit soft. This may be actually overripe. So you can just do that and that should pop right off. So let's cut it. You'll get your knife started and you just work around a circle. Don't put any pressure in the knife like this. All you're doing is taking an avocado and sliding around it. Once you get the circle cut, you just twist it, right? Boom. You can see that I was off on my circle, so it's not a big deal. So, and if it won't cut in to the skin, once it gets cut, there's a seed in there that allows you to go in a circle, right? Then you just twist, it pops right off. If this is not a ripe avocado, this seed will be very hard to get out, or this pit, whatever you want to call it. So if you're not very accurate with a knife, maybe not use this method, but you just do that and you de-seed it, right? And then you can just pull off the seed. See how that's got that around it? I don't want that on there. I'd rather get that off now because we're going to need that. And then you just, boom, take the seed out. And you're good to go. So now you have 2 avocados ready. Let me show you a simple way, rather than have to slice it up on the board or anything like that. Just take your knife, the tip of your knife, and you can feel it through the skin back here. It's not poking through the skin, but you can kind of feel it running on it. And you just, all you're doing is cutting little fine chunks. It's gonna make it easier to smash here in a second, because you're gonna have to smash this up. And again, if you're not real comfortable with a knife, take it a little bit slower. And you can see how I'm doing the slices. Then I'm just coming back the other way, going across those slices to make little small pieces. And you'll see how this comes together in just a second when I scoop it out. So I have to get me a spoon. Then make an avocado tool, I don't really like it. And then all you have to do is scoop it out. And it's already, just go around a circle, being that you removed that end earlier, the end's not even there. So no end here. Take it in here, scoop down, scoop in a circle. You're good. And you don't have to remove everything. See the pit, this little end's gone. So just come up, circle. Good. So let's clean up a little bit and we'll add the other ingredients. Now, all we need to do is, I like giving this a little toss simply because the cilantro is on the bottom, right? And we don't want to smash this too much at this moment. We just kind of want to incorporate what we've got at the bottom, all that cilantro. All right, so that's good. So we take our lime juice, bam, like emerald, right? You hear it, I just throw the damn cup, boom. Now, just the salt, garlic, and the onion. This is finely sliced, diced. It's almost as small as the garlic. And that would be the right consistency that you would be looking for, or the sizing of that onion. You want it as small as possible. All right, so we have everything in there. Now let's just give us a mix and smash. I just kind of work from the sides. All right, so there it is. Guacamole. All you gotta do is put it on a plate, serve it with some chips. Damn, it's good. Now that we've finished with the guacamole, got it all plated, let's give it a taste and see what it tastes like. I love guacamole, and this is very, very good. I honestly believe that this is so much better than Chipotle's. And don't be scared to add in a hot pepper if you like spicy guacamole. I do that from time to time. It's just, I believe that this guacamole is what most people are gonna like without the pepper in it. Don't be scared to add a cayenne or a jalapeno in there, a full cayenne or a full jalapeno. It doesn't overpower it for me, because I like spicy stuff, but if you like non-spicy, this is perfect for you. Let me have a little bit more of that. Oh yeah. So if you like these type of videos, please think about subscribing to the channel and liking this video, and leave me a comment below and let me know if you liked it, if you think it needs to be spicy or not spicy, or if you think you got a better recipe than me, then let me know below and let's do a cook-off. So until next time, see ya.